This teppanyaki spot in Sydney is seriously underrated. Actually, this was my first time trying teppanyaki, and it was so much fun. The chef was flipping, tossing, flaming, and full-on entertainment while cooking. There was even a food throwing game, and yes, I totally missed the egg. But seriously, every single dish was cooked to perfection. Juicy, flavorful, and so satisfying. They're also doing a Mother's Day special, so if you're stuck on gift ideas, this is such a fun experience to share. This is Daikoku Teppanyaki in Concord.